guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're going to be making ramen. So for today's ramen recipe, we're going to be using my favorite ramen, which is the bulldog ramen and the carbonara version. But there are other types that you can use, and whichever one is your favorite should be the one that you use for your recipe. Hari, අද අපේ රෙසිපි එකට ඕන වෙන්නේ කිරි, cheese slice දෙකකුයි, බිත්තරයකුයි, මම අද use කරන්නේ bacon, ඒත් ඒකට mushrooms දාන්නත් පුළුවන්, ඕන meat එකක් use කරන්න පුළුවන්, ඔය vegetarian අයට ඕන vegetable එකක් දාලා use කරන්නත් පුළුවන්. අද අපිට තව ඕන වෙනවා වතුර කෝප්ප දෙකයි භාගයකුයි, ඔය අපේ ramen. හරි, දැන් අපේ වතුර ටික pan එකට දාලා boil කරන්න. So now when your water starts coming to a boil, we're going to put our ramen in. So now when you feel like it's about to be done, add your egg whites into the noodles and just mix it around a bit until it's just cooked. So now while our ramen's going in the stove, I'm just going to crack an egg and I'm just going to separate the yolk from the white. So now our ramen's done. I'm gonna take my cheese and I'm just gonna take it apart with my hands and shred it just a little bit. And I'll take the other one too. Just enough that it can be like mixed in properly. I'm gonna take that to the side and take our 2 packets. This one's really spicy, so like if you guys don't feel like putting the whole thing in, it's okay. Mama na mulu packet ekam daana mokada mama spicy aasa hinda. It don't feel pressure to put the whole thing in. Rahane mona godak spicy now. And then I'm gonna put the egg yolk that we took in, mix it in here. ඊට අපි දැන් මේ ඔක්කොම එකට mix කරන්න. mix කරලා ඉවරනාට පස්සේ මේ වගේ consistency එකක් තියෙනවානේ. පස්සේ අපි ඔක්කොම එකට mix කරලා පොඩ්ඩයි දාන්නේ. පොඩ්ඩක් කිරි ටිකක් වගේ එච්චරක් දැති අපි ඔක්කොම දැන් mix කරමු. mix කරලා ඉවරනට පස්සේ අපි අපේ ramen ටික add කරනවා. ramen එකේ තියෙන steam එකටම cheese ටිකත් melt වෙලා යනවා. Since the noodles are hot already, it's gonna melt our cheese and also cook the egg yolk while it's in the bowl. When it looks like this, it's well mixed. So now I'm gonna add my bacon in. Then ape okkoma well incorporated hinda, okkoma mixed hinda, then ape bacon tika දාන්න. Okay, now we're all done, so it's time to take a little bite. So creamy. Oh my god, they're so good. Oh! I forgot we were shooting the video for a second. Okay everyone, thanks for watching my video. This is like one of my favorite recipes to make when I'm in a hurry or like when I have to study or something. So like I need to make something quick to get like myself energized. So this is what I make and I hope you guys will like it too, and this might be your go-to snack for when you're in a run. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you guys next time.